JNVR Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Janover Incorporated. This is, I think, first time me analyzing this. I mean, who am I? I've done more videos than anyone else in this space with 39,000 when the most proof documented. Everything is on my YouTube channel. I'll be following my journey for 5 years. My 2 cents on this is that after a runner, a very big pump up, you know, all I'm looking to do is just double down as long as the price is giving me the rules and all the stuff that I want to see. In this instance, yeah, this is just, let me just do this. Okay, there you go. I mean, I saw the correction today with this 12% correction, but never saw the confirmation. Correction and confirmation is 2 different things, and unless the price does show me this shift, then why the heck would I try and force it? I won't. That's it. So that's how Janover is actually looking like for me. Unless the rules are met, then why the heck would I try and force, you know? So what I'll keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, very lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.